Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you funding pips honest review. Is it a scam or legit? Let's take a quick look. Based in Dubai, Funding Pips is a prop trading firm offering funded accounts through evaluation challenges from $5,000 to $100,000. It advertises low entry fees, high profit splits, and supports platforms like CTrader and MT5. Pros include scalable funding up to 2 million, affordable challenges, and smooth onboarding, especially if you follow the rules and pass KYC. But red flags include reports of severe slippage during evaluation, especially in phase 2, where stop losses trigger even in low volatility. There's also sudden rule changes, account restrictions, and transparency issues. While some traders do get payouts, many find funding pips less reliable than established firms like FTMO or the Fivers. Bottom line, if you're considering funding pips, read everything carefully, understand the risks, and be fully prepared before diving in. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.